Hello guys, in this video I'll show you the best ways how to resize a video in CapCut. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is add your video here, or if you already have video here, that's fine. So how you can do this is, the first thing is you can scale a video right here. But if you want to resize it, just click off this button, uniform scale. Now you can resize a little more to how you want it to be. Now that's just the basic things. So if you have, for example, a TikTok video, you can change the aspect ratio here to 9:16, and then it's like this. And now if you have it, for example, like this, you can now scale this to the perfect size that you want, and you can even get more of the video in here by making it a little smaller. And now you can adjust it here exactly to how you want it to be. And that's basically how you do it. If you got some value out of this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, also subscribe, and thank you for watching.